Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to break down for you how you can add a fade in and fade out effect for a website section for your Wix websites in 2026. So let us dive into this. So guys, you can add animations to your sections as well here on your Wix website. Like for example, a fade in and a fade out effect or animation. For example, that one section fades out when you scroll down or fades in. This is how you can do it. Navigate to your website editor on Wix. Select the page of your Wix website you would like to edit. Next, hold your mouse over the given section and hit it right on that navigation bar. Click into More Actions. And from that menu, select Animations and Effects. Now, as far as I know, the fade in and fade out animation is the only one available, at least for this section. Click into it and select Customize. And now you may, for example, select the animation type in or out. And also select Preview on Scroll. So if that's the section, it's the header, I will leave it at out. And that's it. You can close this menu. And once the website has gone online, you will see it, or in the preview. As you can see, if you hover your mouse over the given section, you will see also that animation or animated button here, indicating that an animation has been added to that section. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.